In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off roundups in a Monzo pot. If you've been using roundups to automatically save the spare change from your card payments, but you're ready to pause or stop that for a specific savings pot, this walkthrough will make it simple and clear. First, open the Monzo app on your phone and make sure you're logged in. Give it a moment to load your accounts and pots on the home screen. If you have multiple accounts or pots, take a second to orient yourself so you know where you're heading next. Next, go to the pot where roundups are active. You're looking for the exact pot that currently receives the roundup transfers from your card payments. When you open a pot, you'll usually see an indication on its details or settings screen if roundups are turned on. This might appear as a label or a line in the settings that mentions roundups. If you're not certain which pot has it enabled, open your most used pots and look for that roundup option until you find the one that shows it as active. You only need to change it in the pot that currently handles your roundups. Once you're inside that pot's settings, find the roundup payments option and toggle it off. The switch should clearly show that roundups are no longer active for this pot. In most cases, there's no extra setup required after toggling. The change takes effect right away. If the app displays a brief confirmation message, that simply means the setting has been updated successfully. A quick note to keep in mind, roundups can only be active for one pot at a time. That means the pot you just adjusted was the only place those spare change transfers were going. Turning it off here stops new roundups from happening altogether. Your existing pot balance remains safe and untouched, and past roundup transfers stay in that pot unless you decide to move them manually. From now on, your card payments will go through as usual without the extra top-up to the nearest whole pound. If you ever review a recent transaction and don't see a small roundup alongside it, that's expected because roundups are now off for this pot. And that's it. You opened the Monzo app, went to the pot where roundups were active, and toggled roundup payments off. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you quickly take control of your savings settings.